collaboration option I'm going to be going over today is Weebly. Weebly is a site building website, making it so that you don't have to do all the difficult things of coding and things like that. It's already been done for you. They have a free option and a paid option if you decide that you don't want their logo out at the bottom, and it's really easy to make one. So I have one already, Shauna Berg, Teacher in Progress. So let's go ahead and see what we can do on the website. So I'm just going to click Edit Website here. Okay, and that takes me to the main page. I chose a pretty straightforward look, but as you can see, if I so desired, I can change the size of the area of these. I can change the location, what it looks like. I can get rid of them if I so desire, which I do not want to because they look nice. And then you can make different pages up top. So I have an About Me section where I have a picture and a little blurb. You can do your vision. I have another one for vision statement, teaching philosophy, which are essentially very similar kind of pages. And then I have these two blog pages. So the blog page is going to start off with a header, and then we're going to have some archives on the side and a very brief description of what the blog page is going to be about. So under this one, TEL 311, I have quite a few blog posts already, as you can see, and I can make changes to them if I need to by clicking, and it will pull them up, and then I can make a change and update it, or if I need to, I can also make a brand new post by clicking on New Post. And under New Post, I can put a title, like Tech Integration, and I can drag different elements here. So you see on the side, they have different elements, such as you can put another title in if you need to put text, an image, gallery, slideshow. You want to add a divider, a read more section, and they have a few more down here. So super useful. So for instance, let's just take a text option, and instead of just clicking over here, you'll just need to drag the element there, and you'll be able to start making the changes, and they have a very simple bar up here to let you make your changes. There we go. So we've I just put something up really quick. Let's do that positive interaction about yourself. And then I can post it. And then we have new post published, and then we can see it on the actual website. And that's Weebly. I hope that was useful to some of you. It's definitely nice that it's a free website. It's very versatile, so if you're looking into creating your own, but maybe HTML or HTML or coding isn't quite your thing, then this is definitely an option you can look into.